There are rules. Rules that all the greatest men of this world respect. Never back out of fear of difficulty or fulfill your dreams. But there are also methods. Methods to be more productive. Today, I will tell you one that can change the way of your work and your results. Take a board or a sheet. I don't know what you have in your home, but take something that you can write big and post on your wall. In the evening before bedtime, write on this board all the things you have to do the next day. Those goals are small, but assembled, their effects are considerable. Assembled, they become the way to achieve your dreams. So, write on this board what you need to do tomorrow. And write more than you can do in a day, and the next day you will not entertain yourself or even go to bed until you have done all these chores. These chores are the first thing you need to see when you wake up and the last thing you need to see before you go to bed. It is not your fatigue that indicates the end of the day, but the end of these chores. The weak person go to bed while they are tired. Go to bed while you are finished working. Have the discipline to respect these chores and do them, and you will save a huge amount of time. Unfortunately, a lot of people decide to change their lives, to achieve their dreams, but do nothing because they start the day by entertaining themselves. I mean, they start their day by doing something that will not bring them anything. How do you want to have a productive day if you are starting your day by doing useless things? These people do things without knowing why they do them. The second thing to write on this board is your goals for the end of the month. To reach your dreams, you need to have a chosen journey, a path that you visualized and that shows you how you need to work hard to reach it. This path shows that you don't have the time to entertain yourself. Write your goals of the month on this board, and I make you the deal to achieve them. These goals must be more important for you than sleep or eat. When you feel like to entertain yourself, your goals must bring you back to reality. When you feel like to put off until tomorrow, your goals must bring you back to reality. The weak person put it off tomorrow, but from now, you are no longer a part of it. The third thing to write on this board is why you need to do these chores every day. Write on this board your dreams, and with discipline you will reach them. Write on this board the person you will become. Look at these goals you are given yourself. You cannot let go. Great men have great goals. You want to be successful? So don't limit your dreams. These goals on this board must be the voice behind you that telling you, do it, do not stop. If you are not even able to follow rules written on a board, what are you going to do with your life? I want that you look at more this board that you want a wife. Your wife can wait, but your dreams can't wait. And time will pass and you will still have done nothing because you did not have productivity. You did not have the discipline necessary to achieve your dreams. You won't have your wife either because today couples divorce because they don't move forward. Time does not stop, so learn to use it, to do things that really matter to you. The things that will bring you something in your life. Do these chores should be a pleasure for you. If you want to save your couple, if you want to save your one life, you have to do these chores. When you do not have yet the passion for work, when you start in the fulfillment of your life, you can forget, but the line that you have written on this board do not forget. They do not forget that one day you came and you made a promise between you and this board. You made a promise with yourself. You said to yourself, no more laziness, no more lying. Now I'm going to reach my dreams. Promise yourself thanks to this board that you will never stop. The time for laziness is over. Now it is the time for work. It is the time for productivity. And when you have succeeded, achieved your dreams, turn around and explain to others how you did it. Tell them to make this board and stick it more than anything. Turn around and help them like I helped you. Tell them to make this promise that will last all their lives. This promise that proclaims the beginning of your new life.